Let's talk about the Triassic Cuddle. And the Triassic Cuddle refers to this over 250 million year old fossil which was found in South Africa, featuring a proto-mammal and a salamander-like amphibian who are eternally locked cuddling. So let's get into what we know about these two different species and how they may have come to be stuck in the rock eternally together forever. This is Thrinaxodon, and Thrinaxodon is a very small mammal-like reptile which lived in the early Triassic period. Thrinaxodon is thought to be around 40 centimeters long or 16 inches, and here it is in scale with a person. And multiple different specimens of Thrinaxodon have been found curled up in these burrows, and paleontologists aren't quite sure whether Thrinaxodon made its own burrows, but they are pretty sure that it would have used these burrows to escape the blistering heat of the dry season. But of course, this specimen is especially unusual because it was found with an amphibian. And this is Broomistega, a small salamander-like amphibian. And Broomistega was found lying belly up on top of the Thrinaxodon. And it's thought that these two creatures ending up in the den together is highly unlikely to be an accidental burial. And it's more likely that the salamander was dragged in by the Thrinaxodon or the amphibian entered willingly. And surprisingly, National Geographic thinks that the latter is actually more likely what happened, as although there were two possible bite marks on the amphibian, they didn't match up to belonging to that of a Thrinaxodon. The Broomistega was likely seeking shelter because it was injured. Paleontologists could see that it had some broken ribs which had only partly healed, so it likely was struggling with walking and possibly even breathing and was looking for shelter. It's thought that the injured Broomistega crept into the Thrinaxodon's den while the Thrinaxodon was deep asleep, possibly even in torpor, and there they remained until a mucky slurry just buried the both of them. And now they remain together in eternal sleep.